Hello again, my lovely people. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see how I achieve this quick, cute style, then definitely stay tuned. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. I'm here with a review from X-Tress from AliExpress. They are an AliExpress store and they reached out to me to review some of their ombre goddess crochet braids. This is in the color of T1B30 and the length of 20 inches. So just hopping right into this, the braids are a pretty small size. I definitely say they are size small. They have a beautiful ombre color, brown at the top and kind of like a honey blonde at the bottom. They do have nice size holes if you want to crochet this over your whole head, but that's not what we're going to be doing today. But I can say the quality of these braids are very good. They do have pieces of curly hair at the bottom. As you can see, this is how they are attached to the braid and it gives it that bohemian look. Very cute. I will be using 3 bundles of this goddess crochet braid hair today. They did send me multiple packs. I believe they sent me 5 packs, and including in the 5 packs, it did come with this crochet needle. Very helpful if you're going to crochet your whole head. And they did throw in some cute little beads and gold accents hair jewels. Let's get right into it, you guys. So this is freshly washed blown out hair, and I made a cute braid pattern in the front. Bam. That was smooth. I wish doing hair was that easy by a snap of a finger, but I didn't even bother sticking my hair up in the back too well because you won't see it, and this is just for instructional tutorial purposes for today. So cute little simple braid pattern up in the front. Like I said, I'm using 3 bundles, and guys, I'm literally keep the bundles on the gold elastic it comes on. So as you guys are going to see, I did try to do this style with a bun, but I'm actually going to change my method later on. But you guys just look at how I do this. If you want to do it this way, you can, but I quickly found out that my bun was going to show. So yeah, this style was trial and error, but you guys are going to experience it with me. This is my first time trying this. I know there's many videos about it, but this is the first time I'm trying it myself. But take a look at this. Like once I flipped it over, it's super cute. Like I'm loving the look, loving the bohemian style and the ombre curls at the bottom. Very cute. Like I would definitely rock this in the summertime, and it's so quick and easy. Just another in-depth look of the braids here. So pretty, and you guys know I don't do color that much, but these braids are made very well. So what I'm going to do, what you see here, I'm going to go ahead and make a braid out of my hair. So I definitely suggesting doing it this way, and I will show you why. So do the same thing as before. You don't even have to take the braids off that gold elastic, you guys, and I promise you will not see that. So find a way to just put the elastic around your ponytail one time and just flip it over like before. Now don't worry about the ponytail not having height because that will definitely be taken care of. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you bobby pin the bundles down, because if you like run your hands through it and it's not bobby pinned down, the bundle will slip out your hair, and it happened to me. So make sure like that gold elastic part out of all 3 bundles are securely pinned down. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so now that the bundles are securely pinned down, what you want to do, you want to take a piece of your hair, the braid, and add a little bit of the crochet braids to that in your hand. So you know how you wrap the base around the ponytail? That's what we're going to do today, but you're going to hide your braid along with it. Isn't that like so smart? I thought about it on the fly. I don't know if anybody has done it before, but this was just a thought in my mind. So take your braid And it doesn't matter if your hair is long or short, this will work. Medium, whatever, this will work. So as you can see, I'm wrapping my braid and the crochet braids over my hair, my braid, and make sure you use that crochet braid hair to cover your braid. I have a lot of hair, so you can see it poking out a little bit. It's not perfect, but I could definitely perfect the style. And look, there's no braid showing, there's no bun to be exposed, nothing like that. So definitely an on the fly idea, but it's really cute, and it's really cute. It's giving me goddess vibes, like for real. I love it. So here's a look from the back. Like I said, I'm really loving this ombre look, and it's 20 inches, so it's the perfect length. Not too long, not too short, but I'm loving this height that it's giving. Like, girl, like super, like golden goddess. I love it. So I'm just going to add just 2 little hair jewels. You can add more if you like. Just 2 of the gold little tube shaped ones on the side, and 1 little ring in the middle, and that's it. Like, how fast was that? Really fast, minus of course the cornrows in the front, but this is a really quick style, and if you don't know how to cornrow, then you can flat twist. But this is a final look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you try this out? Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel so I can continue to bring you guys fresh new content like this. But yeah, rate, comment, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And thanks so much for watching, and looking forward to bring you guys new content. Thanks X-Tress for reaching out to me. And the link to this hair will be in the description box below. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Love you guys. Bye.